Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 30th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has categorized Amazon as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.11. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 0.14%. This equates to an average return of 0.05% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this scenario may present a favorable selling opportunity. However, a breakout above the upper trend line at $212.08 would signal a strong buying opportunity, potentially indicating a shift in trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 1.75% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 16.14% to positive 5.26%. In terms of a longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 11.37%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 7.54% and positive 35.96% over the next year. In practical terms, this would mean a future price that could fall between $189.55 and $278.74. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Amazon as stock downgraded to hold accumulate." The Amazon stock price declined by approximately 0.335% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 30th of May, 2025, dropping from $205.70 to $205.01. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.11%, reaching a low of $201.70 and a high of $205.95. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has seen a slight loss of 0.08%. The trading volume increased on the last day by 17 million shares, despite the falling prices. This uptick in volume could serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly heightened risk over the next couple of days. In total, 51 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $10.42 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price is 15.47%, or $37.51, below the 52-week high, and 84.29%, or $1,100.19, below the all-time high recorded on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon is making significant strides in its cloud services as Amazon Web Services continues to add data centers globally to meet surging demand for artificial intelligence capabilities. Recent expansions in Mexico, Chile, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, and Taiwan signal Amazon's commitment to capitalizing on the booming AI sector. This could bolster revenue in the short to medium term, enhancing the company's competitive standing against rivals like Nvidia. Despite mixed trading in May, Amazon shares are poised to close at approximately $205, maintaining a robust 25% gain since April. This positive momentum reflects high-profile endorsements that could further stabilize and potentially elevate the stock price going forward. Furthermore, reports indicate that prominent hedge funds are increasing their stakes in Amazon alongside other tech giants, with influencers like Apple and Google, which signals strong institutional confidence. This could lead to further stock appreciation, as institutional investments often drive retail interest and price growth. On the long-term horizon, analysts see Amazon's dominance in cloud computing, AI-driven logistics, and advertising leading to sustained growth, barring any regulatory challenges or retail margin pressures. Investors may want to stay alert to these developments, as they could significantly influence Amazon's stock trajectory in the years to come. Overall, Amazon remains a compelling prospect in today's dynamic market landscape. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AMZN a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that JMP Securities gave AMZN a market outperform grade with a hold action. Also on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Tigris Financial rated AMZN with a buy grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned AMZN a hold grade with a hold action. On that same Friday, Goldman Sachs rated AMZN with a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and so far it has fallen approximately 3%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. The Amazon stock holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $203.81 and $192.40. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 57 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Amazon's support is just below today's level at $191.10. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock exhibits average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $4.25 between its high and low points, representing a movement of 2.11%. Over the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.09%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.34. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $205.17. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $191.10. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Harrington Douglas J., who bought and sold 23,950 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 67.975. In total, insiders purchased 243,235 shares and sold 1,306,102 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $198.45, reflecting a decrease of 3.2%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon shows several positive indicators. However, these do not seem sufficient to categorize it as a buy at this time. Presently, it is advisable to view this stock as a hold candidate, meaning one should either maintain their current position or accumulate more shares while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of June, we anticipate that Amazon will open lower by approximately 79 cents, beginning trading at $204.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.